Hi, Nancy here with more Nature Notes. Today we're going to be making some things so we can look at animals up close. Keep in mind that what we're using is recycled materials out of the recycling bin to reuse, and then when we're all done with them, then we can recycle. To make a bird feeder, we need a few items. A water bottle, empty of course, a piece of wire, and a shish kebab stick. Now with the shish kebab stick, I've taken the pointed end off so that nobody gets hurt. With the water bottle, I've taken it and put a tiny hole in the cap, a tiny hole down near the bottom on both sides, and a slit about 1 centimeter long just above that tiny hole. We're going to put it together now. Ready? We're going to take the cap off the water bottle, and through that hole we're going to put the piece of wire. This is what we'll use to hang the bird feeder with. Once you have the wire through, put a little bend in it so that it can't pull back through. That's how we're going to hang the bird feeder up when we're done. To make certain we stay safe, we're going to put a bend in the other end too, so nobody pokes their eyes. Next, we're going to take the shish kebab stick and put it through the hole down near the very bottom of the water bottle, all the way through. This will become the perch that the bird can use to sit on. Next, we're going to fill the bird feeder with black oil sunflower seeds. These seeds are the favorite of many different species of birds all year round. It's not good to eat these black oil sunflower seeds. They're not for people to eat. Birds eat them. We use the seed to make oil for cooking oil, sunflower oil. So I take the lid off of the bird feeder and put the bird feeder in the bowl. This will help reduce the amount of spillage. We all make mistakes, and some of the water bottles that I've used to make these bird feeders, I made mistakes. So I've taken the bottom half of a mistake water bottle and the top half of another, and now I've got a funnel and a cup that I can use to pour the seed in. If you pour it in slow enough, it doesn't get jammed. If you're using just one, of course you can use your bare hands as well. It does feel kind of neat pouring them in. Once your feeder is full, I like to fill mine to the very top. But since this is for show, I'll go that far. The bird feeder is ready to hang up, and we hang it up in a place where the birds will be able to find it, and where the birds will have some shelter from any predators that might be flying overhead. Now just above that little hole is a slice that I made in the water bottle that the birds can reach in with their beak and actually pick the seeds up with their beak and their tongue to pull it on out. We don't make the hole too big, otherwise all of the seed would fall out and we'd have an empty bird feeder. You can fill it back up again whenever it gets empty though. Enjoy watching the birds. See how many you can identify at your bird feeder. And when it's time, everything can be recycled. All set to go for the birds to come visit. Don't worry if a squirrel comes and finds it. It's kind of fun to watch them try to spin around on the shish kebab stick. Remember to hang your bird feeder in a place where the birds will be able to find it and where there's lots of shelter from predators as well. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope to see you again next time on Nature Notes with Nancy.